Here's the Malibu Bimini, both on the G3.5 and G10 towers. They operate very similarly. The only main difference is where they specifically attach to on the outside of the tower. The actual mounting point is almost identical. First thing we want to do is unbuckle the Bimini from the tower. Then we're going to push the Bimini away from the boat. We're going to open the Bimini boot. Unravel the canvas. And then we're going to grab the top bar and bring it backwards. The last step is utilizing our little feet right here. The L-shaped end of the bracket is going to insert onto the side of the tower. Sometimes it can be a little tricky leaving this in place. Sometimes it's best to actually remove it from the Bimini, slide it in from the bottom side, just like so. And then you can grab your little tab right here and give it a little twist. And that'll lock things in place. Then bring the Bimini frame down, and then you can reinsert your pin. The Bimini does have a couple little Velcro pieces to attach to the frame to keep it nice and secure.